Well, we are at the Laerskool Queenwood following the tragic incident of a grade 7 learner who drowned whilst on a school excursion just over a week ago. But just to get more details on this, this morning the Gauteng MEC visited the school to just get more on this incident, just to give clarity on what will be happening from now going forward. But just to hear more on this, I'm now joined by Gauteng MEC Matome. Just tell us the purpose for your visit this morning.
It is to introduce the law firm to the school. This is the team that will be investigating, assisting us to get answers on the whole incident as to what happened. That's why, just to introduce them.
MEC, this is probably the sixth incident of kids who are drowning whilst on school outings. What is it that is not being done right? Are there any guidelines set perhaps for schools to follow?
Look, from our side, in terms of for approvals, we've put stringent measures for schools to comply. All right. But now the question is, what happens when they're there? We tell them what is our expectation, as they embark on these excursions. Supervision of the learners, keeping an eye on learners. They're there, in most of the time. So as to what transpires at the excursions is something else that we always find ourselves grappling with. That now this incident took place on an excursion. Now we find ourselves seeking answers, and we have to find answers for ourselves as a department, but also for the family as well. That's why we then have to get law firms' investigation, independent investigation, which is quite important, beyond the internal reporting that we'll get, because I do have the internal report, but I want an independent assessment as to what might have been missed.
And some parents have actually also, reportedly raised concerns about the school, allegedly trying to keep the incident under wraps. What is it that has been presented to you? What information has been presented to you?
Look, what I know is what most probably you know, because the report obviously it has come in the detail as to what has happened there. But that's not what I'm looking for. That's why I would not want to respond to that now. I want an independent view, assessment, investigation, to then bring everything into context, connect the dots. From there, then that's when I'll be able to respond properly there. So for now, what I have is a preliminary report. However, it needs another eye, and then from there we'll take it from there. So I'm connecting the dots. Yes.
And how long will this investigation take?
7 days. I've given them 7 days to ensure that they complete the whole report. And I'm sure, and I've also instructed the school and everybody, including the district itself, to really cooperate to ensure that there's maximum cooperation with the law firm so that they're able to do their work efficiently and effectively. There should not be, if there are concerns of hush-hush, I don't want those concerns where the law firm gives a report, because they will report. But we try to speak to this party, this is what happened. We try to speak to, we didn't get full cooperation here and here. And then, obviously, then it means that we must also look at other avenues to ensure that we get to the bottom of the matter.